Hey guys, Alex Angelo here. Welcome back for another ceiling fan video. Today I'm going to be filming the last ceiling fan that's in the villa that I'm staying here in Florida. It is the third out of 3 SEAGULL builder fans. Now, I know I mentioned in one of the videos of them that I wasn't going to be able to film this one probably, but I have the chance now, so might as well take advantage of it. Anyways, so this one is undoubtedly the best one because it moves fast. It runs the fastest and blows the most air. But other than that, it's the same exact one. But as you can tell, the pull chain pendant is probably not original. The other ones have a SEAGULL branded one. That one's just a fob pull chain that probably someone added. But 3 speeds, reversible, all the basic stuff for a fan. So we'll go ahead and demonstrate that. Here's low. So yeah, this is low speed. Overall, it runs pretty efficiently. It's quiet, it doesn't make any noise. Yeah, doesn't wobble either, very well performing for how cheap it is. Because these are definitely cheap fans. You could tell by how skinny the blades are. These are not the best performing or the best built, but they don't perform all that bad. They definitely perform at least above standard for a ceiling fan. At least for ceiling fans of today, this definitely performs a lot better than what you'd normally find. And if my voice sounds weird, I just woke up, so that's why I sound like this. Anyways, it's low. Let's go to medium. Yeah, this fan, it's already moving some air on medium, so it's not a bad performer overall. Alright, and now for high. That fan definitely blows a good amount of air for how cheap it is. All the fans here blow a pretty decent breeze for how cheap they are, but obviously I would definitely choose something vintage as opposed to this. But if I moved into a house and I had a bunch of these in it, I wouldn't be complaining too much because these are not the worst fans in the world. They're definitely, and these are more common. You probably find these in a lot more new houses just because they're a lot more modern than than other ceiling fans. But I've seen new houses with like Hunter Originals and stuff in them. So it really depends on how new the house is and when it was built. And that depends on what ceiling fans, if there are any, are installed in it. I've seen some houses on realestate.com with some pretty decent quality fans. So, And if you notice, in Florida, a lot of new houses, or most of the new houses, have the covered pool area in the back. They usually have a or covered. It's kind of like a greenhouse covering above the back pool, above the pool in the back. I think they do that for a reason, just so bugs don't get in, but I'm not sure about that. But yeah, that's just me rambling. Show you the top. Yeah. And we'll turn it off. Actually, I'll shut it off by the switch. Anyways, that is about it. That completes all the videos of the ceiling fans in this villa that I'm staying in, and I finally was able to get a video of this one. Again, there are 3 of these and then 1 Royal Pacific outdoor rated fan. So I'll just stop it real quick so you guys can see it. So there's that one. There's one in the living room here. And this is where I sleep, but there's that one. That one doesn't perform the best though. One in the master bedroom. And then the Royal Pacific out on the deck, which I showed you guys. So yeah, that completes that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more, and thank you guys for the support on my channel. It's really been great. I appreciate all the support you guys have been showing me, so keep supporting me, and I'll get to show you even more ceiling fans at some point, and hopefully I'll be able to show ceiling fans that I've collected, but obviously I have to collect them first and put them up and everything. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.